did it again.
You only have 2 shots left. There's more ammo to your right, so you can just.
I asked which that dance was, and he said it's called the Orange Justice. Do you know that? Yeah. All right. So it's from a video game.
Okay, that's how it's gonna be. So that's how it's gonna be then.
And I know you kill people and then you dance. And it's like the motto that I have here at the show, laugh, kill, dance. That's what those are our t-shirts, laugh, kill, dance. I'm not really into video games, but I found out that Fortnite makes hundreds of millions of dollars a month.
Hey, yo, what up, bro?
People can
Yo, you a console pro now, dude, or what?
Yeah, dude, on my way.
So this morning I went out and I bought myself an Xbox.
Yeah, dude. When I walked in the room and I didn't even think about it until I got there. I was like, oh no, I know it's gonna be console, dude. I walk in there to see these Xboxes.
Dude, I had a feeling.
55-inch monitors. I'm like, oh no. I'm so happy that it was like minimally about the gameplay.
Oh crap! Ellen tweeted again?
Yeah. Thought I'd throw a hot little retweet on there. I've never felt more like a millennial. Dude, when I was there, her team was there, and they were talking about how when they like started out, when they started like production stuff with their season, Ellen had a flip phone still. Like she didn't even have, like she didn't have a smartphone. Like she's just, I didn't know that she like like Ellen is so hip. I feel like, right? Like
she is 100%.
YouTube, and she knows all like the memes. She always gets these kids on. I thought she was like deep into that stuff. You know what I mean? To find out that she's not. But she knows it. But like, I think that it was so interesting, man. I had such a good time.
I got another route, buddy. No! Stop it! Just die! Just die! Come here! You can't run away from me! You're gonna die! There's nothing you can do about it, except you're doomed! I hit him! You saw the... Ree! What are you talking about? This game's doo-doo! Oh, shit! Get away from me! Just die already, you fat hooligan!
All right, where is he? He's still right there. Grapple, hunting rifle headshot. Yeah, sometimes it's just too easy.
Ah, you're lucky I don't have a trap, bro. Wow, you really wanted to get in there, huh? Like you wanted to get right in my face, huh? Like that was your purpose, that was your goal. You achieved your goal.
Fuck, bro! Come on! So many people. Oh my god, I just killed that one. I just killed that one. I did it. Mom. Come here, Mom. I just killed that one. Look. Oh my god. I did it. He's streaming right now. He has over 20,000 viewers, Mom. Oh my god. Get the camera. Mom, get the camera. Hey, Mom, thanks. Look at take a screenshot. Put it on Snapchat. Oh my god. Mom. Come here. Mom, you're not proud of me? You're not?
Yo,
Oh.
yeah, you wanna come out here?
Give me top 3. Damn it, dude. Oh, I just lost the... Oh my god, I missed my second... Viva, you suck, dude.
Really close. My God.
Listen, I didn't doubt you guys for a second, okay? Watch this. Just because you gave me this bolt, yoink! Damn it. Listen, just because you gave me this bolt, yoink! See, it's like you guys tell me the bolt and I just snipe people out of midair, you know what I mean? It's just that simple.
Gotta go right now. Shit. My chug now. Woo! No!
You got this nice little perch up here. Fuck off me, bro. Oh, I like... Yo, you guys are so talented at Fortnite. Fucking fuck this game, dude. Oh.
Give me that minute. Wow. Really? Really? That's he been here the whole time and that's his first kill? Get this guy out of here. Get him out of here. Come on. This game doo-doo.
Oh my God.
He's shotgun straight at mine.
Yeah, don't worry about me.
I'm dead.
Just having very fun in this video game.
Yeah. One of them had the.
Just having a lot of fun.
Launchers, and the other one had.
No, they both had.
With